Hi guys, today we're unboxing the G.I.Joe Navy Admiral, the year 1996. Take a closer look at the box. This is pretty cool. It's the 50th anniversary World War II commemorative edition. Individually numbered for collectability. Some other, it's a Navy Admiral, Army General. So it looks like there was this too. You can pause the video and read this if you want. These are the accessories that came with the figure. So it looks like there was just two figures that was included in the collection in the series. And here he is out of the box. Came with this really nice jacket. I really like this jacket. It was kind of hard to get off him. I started this unboxing video, and unfortunately I lost that footage. My Nikon D3200 decided to die on me, so yeah, no, what can you do? Anyways, that's a nice jacket. So, air vest. I have another one of these in my collection, and they're pretty cool. So I have several of these. Here's this hat. It's plastic, made of solid plastic. There's no foam inside. Need to fit his head. I actually don't have this head sculpt. Pretty cool head sculpt. I like it. I might have to do something to tone down the scar and put him on another body, because that's what I do. And I'll show you why in a minute. This is Binoculars. Pretty nicely sculpted. I really like Binoculars. I think they give the characters, the figures, more accessories. It came with this really nice fabric belt with a canteen and a pistol. Pretty nice pistol. This holster's all plastic. Got this, what probably could be a leg strap. I'm not a big fan of these type of holsters. They're okay, but here's this canteen. I like the fabric canteens with the real buttons. And of course his dog tags. I always thought that these dog tags were interesting. The dog tags are sewn to his tie here. But we could fix that. Just a little snip of the thread. And there's his dog tags. I've never been a fan of the oversized dog tags. I always thought they were kind of strange. I don't know. Maybe you guys like them? I don't. And hey, if you want some dog tags, let me know. I'll be happy to trade. It's interesting that the pants have the plastic snaps, but the shirt is velcroed. And then it has a snap up here at the neck. And it looks like the tie is actually sewn to the shirt. Other than the Velcro strips, I really like this shirt. I like short sleeve, kind of khaki colors. I'll probably remove the tie, because that's just weird. Hall of Fame bodies. Who remembers Hall of Fame bodies? Probably us old guys, we remember Hall of Fame bodies because we remember Hall of Fame bodies because that's what they started with. And these bodies, although are muscular, their articulation is horrible. Yeah, some articulation in the head. There is no neck articulation. The shoulders, of course, can swing out and around. But then when you get to the arm, it's got like a little mechanism in there that bends, and that's as far as you can bend it. So even though these guys were really buff looking, but their articulation just, I never liked it. And of course his wrist can move up and down and spin around. And of course his legs weren't any different. That's as far as you could bend them. But they do go out and up. I think it's cool that he comes with these dress shoes and some dress socks. I like that. Well, you gotta let me know what you think of these Hall of Fame bodies. Do you like them? I've never been a fan of them. They're okay. I'll probably repurpose his head and retire the Hall of Fame body to the rest of my Hall of Fame figures. Anyways, thanks for checking it out. Let me know what you think of this format. Do you like the talking head version or just my hands? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.